Hey, Jim Murphy here, your fix-it guy. This time on You Break It, You Fix It, we put a window switch in my truck. Let's get to it. Okay, today we're going to put a window switch in my 2008 Chevy Silverado. It will go down, it won't go up. If you see my other videos, I did a wire repair in the door harness, so I know it's not that. So now I know it's this pretty cheap switch. This is going to be a quick video today. We're just taking this handle off. I cheated, I already took the bolt off to get to this cover to put this switch in my 2008 Chevy Silverado. Okay, now that we got the handle all the way, all we have to do is pry this cover off. Might be able to get it with your hand. Just like that. Plug the switch right here, my big fat hand in the way. So that's out. Then you be very, very careful and pry up on these tabs. Just slide the switch out. Okay, the new switch is in. We're just going to plug it in and snap this cover back on. Okay, the new switch is in, the cover's back on. We're going to test the switch before we put it all back together because it's pretty embarrassing to have to take all those bolts back out. Fire in the hole. Oh, look at that. Does it go up? Oh. Boom, we're going to put it back together. Just like that, we're done. As always, I'll put the link to the part in the description. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on You Break It, You Fix It.